10 Home Remedies for Toenail Fungus. Onychomycosis, often known as toenail fungus, is a prevalent nail infection that affects millions of people in the United States. Fungal nail infections can be caused by a variety of organisms, including molds, yeasts, and fungus. This usually happens when these organisms encounter a cracked nail or the skin around the nail, as the opening provides a pathway for them to enter. Toenail fungus can be treated with a variety of methods, including drug-free alternatives. Try some of these effective toenail fungus home remedies. 1. Hydrogen peroxide. Toenail fungus can be killed using hydrogen peroxide. With a clean cloth or cotton swab, wipe hydrogen peroxide directly on your diseased toes or toenails. Hydrogen peroxide can also be used to soak your feet. Soak feet for 10 to 20 minutes in a mixture of 1/8 cup hydrogen peroxide and 4 cups cool water. Rinse feet with warm water and pat dry. 2. Black tea. Toenail and foot fungus can be treated by soaking feet in simple tea. Tea contains tannic acid that dries the feet, kills bacteria, and helps to seal the pores on your feet so that you don't sweat as much as you otherwise would. Bring 2 quarts of water to a boil, then add 5 to 6 tea bags. Soak your feet in the tea for 30 minutes. Use daily if desired. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is an antifungal that can be used to make a foot soak by mixing it with water. Its acetic acid component whitens discolored toenails and prevents infection from spreading to other toes. Soak your feet in a mixture of 2 parts vinegar and 1 part warm water for 20 minutes every day. 1 part vinegar to 1 part water could be used for a stronger foot soak. Both white vinegar and apple cider vinegar are equally effective. 4. Baking soda. To heal the afflicted nail, add baking soda to a foot soak. You can also mix baking soda with a little water to make a paste and apply it straight to your foot. Allow 10 to 20 minutes for the paste to rest on the area before rinsing with warm water and thoroughly drying the foot. Baking soda can also be used as a foot powder by sprinkling it on the foot or in the shoes. Put on clean socks after applying baking soda to a dry foot. The baking soda can wick away moisture while the therapeutic properties work to reduce toenail fungus. 5. Epsom salt. To alleviate your foot fungus, soak your feet in an Epsom salt bath. Soak your feet for 10 to 20 minutes in a mixture of 1 cup Epsom salt and 2 quarts warm to hot water. 6. Olive leaf extract contains olorapane, which is a natural antifungal and antimicrobial. Toenail infections can be treated with an olive leaf salve. 7. Snakeroot extract, which is derived from sunflower plants, is an all-natural antifungal homeopathic treatment for toenail infection. Snakeroot extract can be applied directly to the affected toenail. For several months, apply the extract 2 to 3 times per week. 8. Zinc oxide is a mineral that can treat fungal infections. Miconazole zinc oxide can be sprayed or applied to the affected area as a skin protectant to fight infection and decrease the indications of foot fungus. 9. Garlic is a potent antimicrobial plant. Chop garlic cloves and apply them to the damaged nails for 30 minutes for a topical therapy. Use raw garlic cautiously, as it can cause a chemical burn. 10. Cornmeal has antifungal properties. Cornmeal can be used as a paste or as a soak. In a shallow pan, dissolve cornmeal in warm water to make a paste. Allow the paste to cool completely before applying it to your feet. Let the paste remain in place for 1 hour. As a soak, add an inch of cornmeal to a shallow container. Pour an inch of warm water on top of the cornmeal and set aside for an hour to allow the cornmeal and water to combine naturally. Add warm water to cover your foot completely, then soak your foot for an hour. Cornmeal can be used as a toenail fungus home treatment on a weekly basis. Links to products mentioned are in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like this one.